Hello friends, please do like and subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest update of my videos. Standard 8, Chapter 8, Algebraic Expression and Operation on them. Maths, Practice Set 34. Subtract the second expression from the first. Now, what the heading is saying, सेकेंड एक्सप्रेशन यानी जो सेकेंड वाला है उसको फर्स्ट वाले से माइनस करो. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू हैव 24 एंड यू हैव 8, सो दिस इज योर फर्स्ट, दिस इज योर सेकेंड. सो व्हाट दे आर सेइंग कि सेकेंड को, दिस सेकेंड टर्म you have to subtract from this 24 minus 8. So in same pattern, this you have to subtract from this. So let's start. Now first write the question as it is, 4xy minus 9z, and this, instead of this you write minus, and this 3xy minus 16z. That now further you have to open the bracket. So first term will be as it is, there will be no changes. But now when you will open this bracket, no, here further, so you have to be careful. See this is minus and here you have plus. यहाँ पे अंदर प्लस है, कोई भी नंबर के आगे साइन नहीं है यहाँ पे, so that means वो नंबर पॉजिटिव है. So माइनस इंटू प्लस माइनस, so ये नंबर बन गया नेगेटिव. एंड देन माइनस इंटू माइनस, दो नेगेटिव इंसान हमेशा फ्रेंड होते हैं, सो इट बिकेम प्लस. ओके, नाउ so now what we have to do, we have to arrange them in like terms order. So 4xy and this minus 3xy, and then you have negative 9z and plus 16z. So this is one term and this is one term. So 4 minus 3, 1. So we do not write 1 in algebra. So simply xy and then minus into plus minus. So 16 minus 9, 7. 7z, greater number is 16, it has positive sign. So this is your answer. Second sums, 5x plus y, 4y plus 7z, subtract x plus 2y plus 3z. So the first term will be as it is, 5x. We will open the bracket. अभी हम लोग bracket को निकालेंगे, open करेंगे. So first term as it is आएगा, but the next one after this subtraction, all this sign in this bracket will change. It will become opposite. Okay. So this minus, no. So minus into plus. Anything multiplied by minus, it becomes, see, minus into plus, minus. Then again minus into plus, minus 2y. And then again minus into plus, minus 3y. Okay. So whenever minus and plus are multiplying, so it is always minus. Okay. So now next step, what we have to do, we have to write all the like terms together. So here 5x and then you have minus x, then plus 4y, here you have minus 2y, then you have plus 7z and then minus 3z. So 5 minus 1, there is no number, that means 1. 5 minus 1, 4. plus 4 minus 2. So plus minus minus 4 minus 2, 2. And then plus 7 minus 3. Plus 7 minus 3. Plus minus minus. 7 minus 3, 4. So minus 4z. This is your answer. Now let's see our third sums. Again you have to copy down the question. 4x square plus 8xy plus 3y square. Bracket subtraction 26x square minus 8xy minus 17y square. Now next step what you have to do, you have to open brackets. Brackets को open कर देना है. So first term में कोई changes नहीं आता है. It is as it is. But when you open the second terms, so minus into plus minus, सारे साइन ऑपोजिट हो जाते हैं. यहाँ प्लस है, so it become minus 26x square. Minus into minus plus 8xy minus into minus plus 17y square. Okay. So now what is our next step? We have to write down all the like terms together. So 14x square, and then you have this minus 26x square. Then this plus 8xy, and here also you have plus 8xy. Then here plus 3y square, and again plus 17y square. So your final answer, this term, see, minus 26 and plus 14, no sign means plus. So minus plus minus, 6 minus 4, 2, 2 minus 1, 1. Greater number is 26, it has minus sign, minus 12. So here you have minus 12. वेरिएबल विल बी एज इट इज. ये जो अल्फ़ाबेट दिया है वो सेम टू सेम होगा. नाउ प्लस 8xy 8 plus 8 16 and xy will be as it is. Then plus you have 3 and 17 20. 3 plus 17 20 y square. This is your answer. Let's see our fourth sums. Again copy down your first term, then show minus, and then 16x square minus 17xy. So now first term will be as it is. Second term, minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus. Okay, so write down all the like terms together. 6x square, here we have minus 16x square, then plus 7xy, here plus 17xy. And then what you have this, there is no pair, so write as it is. Okay, so now minus 16 and plus 6, so minus plus minus, so 6 plus 6 12, minus plus minus, no? So 6 minus 6, 0, and then 1. Greater number is 16, it has negative sign, so minus 10x square. Then this term, both is positive, so 17 plus 7 becomes 24 xy, and both is positive, you have plus sign, and then this as it is. So this is your answer. Fifth sums. So 4x plus 16z bracket minus 19y minus 14z plus 16x. So it will be as it is, minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus 14z, and then minus into plus minus 16x. So now all the like terms, 4x and this 16 minus 16x, then 16z and plus 14z, and then minus 19y. So minus 16 plus 4 plus minus minus 6 minus 4 2 and 1. Greater number 16 minus, you have minus 12x. Then plus, both is plus, 16 plus 14 30, 30z, and then you have minus 19y. Okay. So this is your answer.